Hi everyone, we are here now at Big
There's a Christmas tree over
Lots.
there.
Kasi magko-closing na daw to sila. Entire store. So titignan natin, check natin kung ano ang laman dito kasi dati ang dami nito mga furniture at kung ano-ano pa. So check natin kung anong meron dito, no? Kasi siguro bibili kami ng maraming tubig. Ayan. So tingnan nyo ha. Malapit na silang magsasara. Get some card. Get some water. Okay, get the water. Get the card, Crystal. So, kuha na tayo ng tubig kasi mag-closing na sila. Here, Carrie. Get two.
I'll get it.
Put it
I'll
down
get
below.
it.
No, CJ.
Why? I can get it.
That's a good price.
I saw one.
So, nakalagay dyan. No, Crystal, no.
$3.99. Two?
I saw a nice tree right there.
And then,
See it?
there's CJ. Get this.
See?
CJ, this.
Getting more water. Nice clean water.
So, tignan natin. Tingnan nyo guys, ha. Yung closing na talaga sila.
Crystal, look. Is it like the smoothie thing that you just drink it out of? It's a smoothie and you can just drink it.
Yeah, get it. Cheaper
It's
no?
only 14. $14.99.
Try now. It might be cheaper down there. So, tignan nyo. Ang daming sili. Tingnan nyo. Check natin.
They're the only ones that have hair socks. They're the only one dollar.
Where is we go?
These ones right here.
There's popcorn.
I get
Samahan niyo ako dito. Looking. Hi! Eto, need ko to. Nagsisil na nga sila talaga. Tingnan mo. Meron na tayong pangbalik-bayan box. So, dapat marami to. So, ito. Gamitin ko to sa box. Ayan. So, diba? Crystal, here. Ang daming sale ngayon.
small one. Right here.
We've got a small blender.
And you can just drink out of it as well. You don't have to.
I'm gonna get something, Daddy. Follow me.
Extension cord. LED for saan to? Food light. Sa loob lang ba to ng bahay? Outside pala yan. Christmas. Ito 50% off. Tingnan nyo naman. O diba? 50% off. Natay here. You need this?
I'm gonna get this.
You don't need that.
Huh?
I want this. I like it.
So, grabe, wala nang laman dito. Tignan mo. Wala na. Kunti na lang. Hari pa kayo, hari. Para maubos to. Ito sa car daw to. Charger sa car. Magkano na lang to? Cheap, oh. So ayan guys, basta pumunta na kayo sa Big Lots dito sa Charleston. Nag-sale talaga sila ng todo. Oh. 20%, 50% yung iba. Okay, see you, bye.